Welcome to our language class. Today we are going to read a new book that corresponds to Oxford Reading 3 program. And what do you think the book will be about? Maybe it is about, I don't know, maybe one of the characters of Oxford Reading 3. Well, let's start. Yeah! Today the character is Floppy. Now, can you tell me, watching this cover page, can you tell me what is happening with Floppy? Can you tell me if he is happy or if he is sad? Look at his face. Yes, very good. Good description and good analysis. He is sad. Yes, I agree with you. What are we going to do? Look at the words poor Floppy. When you have this word poor Floppy, poor means that something is not right. Is something in his life is strange. Something is happening, and let's see what is the situation. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to read the book with your family. But how are you going to read the book? Look, the first thing you're going to do is identify the sounds that you already know. In that way, you can start reading. I know that some of you already are reading, but if you are not reading, not still or no yet, you can practice. And how can you practice? Well, to read on your own, I'm going to give you some tips. The first tip that you are going to have is identify the sound. Identifica los sonidos que ya hemos visto, que los hemos aprendido o bien en prejardín o bien en jardín. Busca los sonidos, busca las letras que nosotros ya hemos aprendido durante el año. The second tip is blend the sounds. Vamos a integrar o a unir esos sonidos. ¿Cuál es el sonido que está después del sonido que nosotros tenemos o que está antes? We are going to blend. Vamos a unirlos. Les voy a dar un ejemplo para que todos lo tengamos un poquito más claro. Imagine that the word that appears in the book is bat. Vamos a mirar cuáles son los sonidos. El primer sonido que tenemos es el de la B, luego A y luego T. Ya los identificamos. Listo, sabemos que este sonido corresponde a B, que esta letra corresponde al sonido A y que esta letra que tenemos acá corresponde al sonido T. Ahora vamos a unir los sonidos. B, A, T. Si nosotros los pronunciamos no de manera independiente, sino exagerando la duración de cada sonido, así vamos a terminar nosotros uniendo o integrando los sonidos. Van a escuchar como me escuchaban ustedes en el salón. Bat. Si ustedes alargan, así los van uniendo. Bat. Bat. Muy bien. Now, you know that each sound is related to a movement or to a part of a body. Miren lo que tenemos acá. Cada sonido lo relacionamos o bien con una parte del cuerpo o con un movimiento. Por ejemplo, este de la B con our back, nuestra espalda. Este A con nuestros arm, con nuestros brazos. Y este t con nuestros. Ok, very good, children. Los estamos uniendo también con nuestras manos. Pero obviamente mano en inglés no se dice hand, ¿no? ¿Sí, no? Okay, hand. Very good. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to practice the movement. Back. Okay. Now, what are you going to do? Sorry, but. Now that you have already read the book, we are going to answer the worksheet. And what are we going to do first? Remember that in our page or in our worksheet, we have to write our name, but the full name, not just Efraín or Filomena. No. Remember that you have to use the full name. Filomena Jiménez or Filomena Flores. But full name and last name. And you also need to write the date. Okay? Now the second activity says circle the correct answer and color. ¿Qué tienen que hacer? Encerrar en un círculo la respuesta correcta y colorear solo y únicamente la respuesta correcta. Okay? Now, you are going to read again. Read again the book. And then you complete. Vamos otra vez a continuar con la segunda hoja de nuestro libro. We are going to continue with the second page of our worksheet and our book. Listen, you have to write your sentence here. Todos tienen que escribir aquí una frase, ¿cierto? Pero no puede ser ni muy grande que traspase la línea, que no podamos leer y que no les quepa. No. Pero tampoco puede ser demasiado pequeña que yo no alcance a ver la actividad en sí. Entonces van a escribir con una letra linda, bonita y elegante como la que siempre utilizaban cuando estaban conmigo en el salón. Listo. Okay, dear, you are going to work at home and I want to see your work, okay? If it is necessary, you are going to upload it into Seesaw, okay? See you. Bye. Enjoy this day. See you later in another class.